Good morning guys! It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-vlog and it's snowing! And time check is 7:28 in the morning. Pupunta kami ng store saglit. So para kasi it's my first time na maka-experience ng snow. Huh?
Looks like it's pretty dry.
Yeah, it's dried. Maybe they put some salt already last night.
Maybe.
So ang store guys, kuan lang, mga 2 minutes away lang sa bahay. So it's para ma-experience ko yung driving in the snow. At matagal na rin ako hindi nakapag-video, nakapag-upload. So usually yung ina-upload ko lang yung kuan, yung mga pusa namin kasi busy na ako, wala na akong time. Busy na sa trabaho ba. Ang temperature natin ngayon is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. At negative 7 kung sa Celsius, negative 7 degrees Celsius kung sa Celsius naman. Yan. May binili lang si Mr. saglit tapos uuwi na rin kami. Uwi na kami guys!
Seeing this type of stuff, you don't want to get too fast and stuff. You just want to take it nice and easy. No sharp turns and no accelerating or braking too hard. It's still wet.
It looks like they put ice already last night.
They probably did put the ice on it because of the state highway. They have to maintain it for emergency vehicles. Because they got the fire department right here at a station.
I-check ko muna yung chickens guys kung okay sila. I'm here at the back checking. Yes. Checking the chickens. Alright. Okay lang sila. May tubig, may food sila dyan. Nagluluto ako ng pansit guys. Hinahanap ko yung isang phone ko kasi naglaro kami kanina sa labas. Hindi ko makita yung isang earring ko ba. Yung kung saan ko na ilagay or saan nahulog. Ayan, malapit ang maluto. Hiningaan ko na yung apoy. Ayan, naluto na rin. At ako'y naglalaba. Ayan oh, pansit guys. Kain-kain. At lalabas kami mamaya ulit. Medyo malakas pa kasi yung snow. Mamaya mga 11 or 12, hihina na daw. So, ganda yan kasi makapal na. Ayan guys, tumalakas pa lalo sa ayun o. Hanggang alas 12 pa daw ang yung snowfall. Pero lalabas ako mamaya ulit. Gagawa tayo ng snowman at saka ng Angel wings. We are going to check the chickens. They're here. Yeah, they're here. No, they're inside. Nasa labas ako, guys. I-check ko lang yung mga manok namin. Diyan sila. Come on. And Peanut is here too. Oh, look. No, Peanut is here. Come on. Ito na yung ating snowman. Katapos na rin. Super lamig. Kailangan ko nang pumasok. Finally, that is my snowman.